Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on online status on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on online status on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone, and on this interface guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us over here. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings and you will land on this interface where you can see the privacy and security over here guys, just below the chat settings on the settings category. And let's scroll down a little bit and let's tap on privacy and security, and from over here let's scroll down a bit and you can see there is the last seen and online option available for us just below the phone number. Tap on that last seen and online and this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to turn on your online status on Telegram, you must have first tapped on or selected the nobody previously on Telegram in order to turn off your online status. Now from over here, in order to proceed, if you want everybody to see your online status, then tap on everybody, but if you want only your contacts to know you're online, then tap on my contacts only. With that being done guys, I'll be tapping or choosing the everybody so everybody can know I'm online. So with that being done, again at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the tick mark option available for us, and then your online status on Telegram will be turned on. As you can see where it says everybody, but you can choose it to my contacts only if you want to. And there guys, this is how to turn on online status on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.